I am here at the car wash, getting my car washed automatically. I guess I can go forward because that's blinking green. Blinking green. So what's going on, everyone? Here we go. This is the first time I'm washing my car since I got it. Since I got this car last year, so it's been a little over a year, and the first time I'm washing my car. Well, getting my car washed. I'm not actually washing it. Which usually, if I wanted to wash my car, I prefer to do it myself. You know, which I can do it here, you know, myself, but didn't feel like it. I'll be right back. So here we are. Looking at the car wash, yeah. Oh no, I can't see. So we're gonna see how long this takes. So about as long as this video is about as long as it takes to wash the car. Like I said, this is the first time I'm washing my car. Actually, this is the first time first time I'm washing my car since I got the car a little over a year ago. Look at all that suds, all that soap. I don't know, I'm so bored. I'm ready for the weekend. I don't get much weekends, but I'm ready for it this time.
Sacrifice greatly.
Commercial. Well, yeah, that just happened. My phone said it ran out of memory, so it shut off my phone. Well, not shut off my phone, stopped recording. But it took about 5 to 6 minutes, I believe, to wash my car. So yeah, no more a little bit of bird crap on my hood, and no more a little bit on my door. So there you have it. Hope you like, subscribe, comment, or whatever. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.